Hi, I'm Jacob Murad, president of KPA Lawyers. We're an Ontario-based law firm that helps business owners of over $50 million in revenue. Today, I'm going to tell you a little bit about how to win any lawsuit. And really, the best way that I could describe this is the best legal defense is a good social offense. Let me explain what that means. When you're sued, I know it's a very emotional aspect, and you're worried very much about how to win your case. You gather as much evidence as you can, you call a lawyer, you lay awake at night, and you're trying to make sure that you can put forward the best defense possible. And there's negotiations, and it's a very stressful time. What I find is a very big issue that clients deal with is understanding that the lawyers cannot necessarily do everything. And if this gets to court or gets in front of a judge, it's up in the air what a judge would rule, even if the merits of your case are good or bad. Sometimes you're sued and you truly don't have a good defense. So what do you do in these scenarios? I find that a lot of clients spend all their time racking their brains, going through evidence, talking to their lawyers, and doing everything they can to defend. But really, the best way that you can help your lawyer and help yourself to win your case, no matter what, 100% of the time, is to go on the offense, not from the legal strategy, but go on the offense in terms of contributing socially, growing your business. If you're running a business and you are sued and you don't believe you have to pay or don't have the money to settle, then really the next thing to do is, rather than fretting about it, you obviously have to call a lawyer and make sure that that lawyer is defending. But after it's put into the legal system, your job is to grow your business. The best way to get out is to grow your business, make more sales, make more connections. And you may find that by the time it takes for the lawsuit to settle or judgment to be rendered by a judge, even if it's against you, if you've grown your business over the time it takes for that to happen, which could be years, lawsuits take years. If you've grown your business, you have nothing to fear because you'll be able to pay it off. I'll give you a very brief example. When I was first starting out, there was an employee who was starting a wrongful termination lawsuit against my client's business. My client's business fired this employee, paid the severance they felt was proper, couldn't pay more because business was not so great. So they were actually contracting their business. The lawyer for the employee offered a settlement, and it was a pretty good settlement. It was more than they could probably hope for. But the business did not have the money to pay it. So we were hired to make sure that we defend this lawsuit. And even though it meant that the business had to pay a little bit more in legal fees, it was given the time to grow. By the time it took for the lawsuit to get to trial, the business had grown to a point where it could easily pay any settlement amount, and the business settled. So the business owners did not talk about, hey, maybe we have a really good case here or a case there. They spent most of their time just trying to grow the business, and then they won. So consider that the next time you're sued, that the best way to defend your lawsuit, the best way to help your lawyers, is to not focus on the lawsuit itself and trying to get the best evidence and doing everything you can. The best thing you can do as a business owner is grow your business. Thanks for watching, and if you like these videos, please hit subscribe.